Hi, I'm Philip Durant, Boomi Practice Lead for Adaptiv, and I'd like to discuss the Sydney Water Joint Venture project by Fulton Hogan and why it should be considered for the Boomi Innovation Awards 2023. Fresh water is one of our most valuable resources, and the Sydney Water Joint Venture project is about the management and maintenance of this resource on behalf of the citizens of Western Sydney. To deliver this project, Fulton Hogan needed to provide end-to-end work and service management capabilities, and Boomi was selected as the platform to connect Fulton Hogan and Sydney Water systems to deliver this. Boomi's low-code, high-productivity capabilities allowed the project team to rapidly deliver quality integrations at the speed of the business. One of the challenges that the project team encountered was data sovereignty. Fulton Hogan met this challenge by delivering a dedicated molecule hosted in Sydney for Sydney Water processes, while retaining their existing New Zealand-based molecule for back-end processes. Azure Service Bus was used to bridge the molecules. The project delivery was a joint effort between Fulton Hogan and Adaptiv, a Boomi partner, led by Fulton Hogan integration architect Anko Shrivastava. In the first year after go live, Sydney Water achieved a 10% reduction in water loss on their network. In conclusion, the Sydney Water Joint Venture project is a shining example of how Boomi's platform allows the integration of multiple processes and systems to deliver transformative business outcomes, and it should be considered for the Boomi Innovation Awards 2023.